Hello, my friend. Welcome back to Real Talk English. I'm Sarah. I'm happy you're here today. In today's story, we follow Anna through a normal day in America. She talks with her neighbors. She tries something new. She helps someone. These are small moments, but they show us how Americans really talk. So relax, listen carefully, and enjoy this story. Let's begin. Hi, Maria. Sorry to bother you.
Oh, hi, Anna. No problem. What's up?
I'm making dinner. I don't have salt. Do you have any?
Of course. Let me check. Salt? Anything else?
Pepper too if you have it.
No problem. Come in.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Don't worry. This happens to everyone. Here you go.
Perfect. Oh, your nails look so pretty.
Thanks. I just did them this morning.
The color is beautiful. Is that light purple?
Close. It's lavender.
I love it. Did you go to a salon?
No. I did them myself.
Really? They look very professional.
Well, I am a nail technician.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, I work at a salon downtown.
That's great. Do you like it?
I do. I miss it sometimes.
Your nails always look perfect.
That's sweet. I can do your nails sometime.
I'd love that. Thank you.
How about Saturday morning?
Saturday morning works for me.
Great. Come by around 10.
Sounds good. Thanks again for the salt and pepper.
Anytime, neighbor.
Hi, Maria. I'm here for my nail appointment.
Anna, come in. Right on time.
I'm so excited. This is my first time.
Well, you're in for a treat. Sit here at the kitchen table.
Your house smells amazing. What is that?
Oh, I made cinnamon rolls earlier. The kids ate most of them.
Lucky kids.
So let me see your hands. Okay, not bad. We'll take it slow today.
Thank you. I'm a little nervous.
Don't worry, I've got you. Let's make them beautiful today.
What color should I get?
Let me look. Your skin tone is beautiful. I think light pink or soft coral.
Which one do you like better?
For your first time, let's do light pink. It's classic. Goes with everything.
Perfect. I trust you completely.
Do you want any design on your nails?
A design?
Yeah, something very simple.
I don't want anything too much.
That's okay. We can do just one small design.
Like what?
Maybe a tiny flower. Very soft and pretty.
I like that. Just one small flower.
Perfect. One small flower on one nail.
Yes, that sounds lovely.
Okay, first, I'm going to file them a little, just to shape them nicely.
Should they be long or short?
What do you prefer? Do you type a lot?
Yeah, I'm on my computer all day.
Then shorter is better. More practical, but still pretty.
That sounds good.
So, how are you liking the neighborhood?
I love it. Everyone is so welcoming. Like you.
That's good to hear. How long have you been here now?
Almost 6 months. Time goes by so fast.
Do you get to talk to your family often?
Yeah, I video call them every week.
That's nice. It really helps.
It does. It makes things feel closer.
All right, first coat is done. Let me do the second coat.
It looks so good already.
Just wait. You're going to love it.
I already do. Thank you so much.
My pleasure. Anytime you want to do them again, just let me know.
I definitely will. This is so relaxing.
That's the best part about nails. It's me time. Even just 20 minutes of sitting still.
I need more me time.
Don't we all? Okay, all done. Let them dry for about 10 minutes.
They're beautiful. You're so talented.
Stop, but seriously, I'm glad you like them.
Hi, Anna.
Oh, hi, Mrs. Linda. What a nice surprise. How are you?
I'm doing well, honey. How about you?
I'm great. Did you bring something?
Yes, I made some banana bread this morning. I thought of you.
For me? Oh, that's so nice. You didn't have to.
Oh, I wanted to. I made 2 loaves. One for me, one to share.
Thank you so much. It smells great. Is it still warm?
It is. Fresh from the oven about an hour ago.
Would you like to come in? Maybe have tea or coffee?
That's sweet, but I can't stay long. I have to go to the store.
I understand. But thank you again. This really made my day.
You're very welcome. I hope you enjoy it.
Did you really bake this yourself?
Oh, yes. I bake almost every weekend. It's my little hobby.
That's amazing. I've never made banana bread. I don't know where to start.
Really? It's not hard at all. It's one of the easiest things to bake.
Easier than cookies?
Much easier. You just mix everything in one bowl. No special equipment.
What do you put in it?
Well, you need ripe bananas. The riper, the better. Then flour, eggs, sugar, butter.
That doesn't sound too bad.
It's not. The trick is using really ripe bananas. The ones that are almost brown.
I usually throw those away.
Oh no! Those are perfect for banana bread. Very sweet.
I had no idea. I've been wasting good bananas.
Well, now you know. Save them next time.
Maybe I should try it. Do you think I can do it?
Of course. Anyone can make banana bread.
I don't know. I'm not good at baking.
Nonsense. Tell you what. Next time I bake, come over. I'll show you how.
Really? You would teach me?
I'd love to. It would be fun.
That would be amazing. I'd really appreciate that.
It's settled then. I usually bake on Sunday mornings. Does that work?
Sunday mornings are perfect. I don't work on Sundays.
Wonderful. I'll call you on Saturday.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Linda. I really appreciate it.
You're very welcome. See you soon.
Mr. James, hi there.
Oh, Anna, good afternoon.
It looks like it's about to rain. The sky is getting dark.
Yes, it came so fast. I was working in the yard.
You have a lot of things out here. Do you need help?
Oh, I don't want to trouble you, Anna.
It's no trouble. Really, let me help before the rain.
Well, if you insist. That's very kind.
Of course. Where should we put everything?
The garage is over there. We can put it on the shelves.
Okay, great. I'll start with this chair.
Thank you. I'll get the toolbox. It's a bit heavy.
Do you want me to get that?
No. I've got it. My back isn't great, but I'm not helpless.
I didn't mean.
Ha! I'm just teasing, Anna. I appreciate your concern.
Okay, good. I wasn't sure.
Not at all. You're very kind. Very thoughtful.
Where do you want these tools?
Those can go on that shelf. Yes, the one in the back. Yes, right there.
Like this?
Perfect.
The weather here is so unpredictable. This morning was beautiful.
That's the thing about living here. You can't trust the forecast.
I checked my weather app this morning. It said sunny all day.
Those apps are wrong a lot, I think.
I'm starting to learn that. Back home, the weather was more stable.
Where's home for you?
I'm from overseas. I moved here about 6 months ago.
Ah, I see. How are you adjusting?
Pretty well. I'm still learning about things like surprise rainstorms.
You'll get used to it. Just always keep an umbrella.
Good advice. I'll remember that.
So what brought you here?
Work. I got a job here. This area seemed nice and quiet.
It is a good neighborhood. People here look out for each other.
I've noticed that. Everyone is so kind. Like you.
Well, you're the one helping me right now.
I'm glad I could help.
I think that's everything. Yes, we got it all.
Just in time. Look, it's starting to rain.
Good timing. Thank you so much, Anna.
Anytime, Mr. James. I mean it. If you need anything, just knock on my door.
That's very generous. Same to you. I'm right next door.
I'll remember that. We should go inside now.
Good idea. You run along. Stay dry.
You too. Have a good day.
You as well, young lady.
Today, Anna had a simple day. She borrowed salt. She had her nails done. She received banana bread. She helped a neighbor. Nothing big happened, but something important did. She felt a connection. She felt kindness. She felt a little more at home. Life in a new country is not always easy, but small moments like these help us grow. Thank you for listening, my friend. Take care, and I'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye for now.